Is the MacBook Neo good enough for simple cut YouTube video editing? That means no effects or graphics. To test this, I edited a 15-minute video for my other YouTube channel. Let's find out. We'll also take a look at the battery life as well. We're starting with 100% battery. And I have a timer over here. Let's add our iPhone 4K 60 FPS footage to the timeline. Is it all in here? Hold on a second, let's see. Let's just confirm how much is it. Nearly 34 minutes of footage. Let's start our timer and begin cutting the video. Alright, just stopping the time-lapse for now because I forgot that I need some footage off of an external SSD to complete this video project, so I'll be adding another big video to the mix over here, and we are at minute 13, basically coming close to 14 minutes long, and I'm surprised that the timeline smoothness is amazing. I didn't have any slowdowns whatsoever. Look at that. We're still blazing through it. It is just as comfortable to work on this Mac as it is on my M3 Max. Okay, I am done editing this video. It took me almost half an hour, just a little bit over, and the video is 14.5 minutes long. Take a look at that. Great timeline performance. So now let's take a look at how long it will take the Neo to export this video. Let's share the file. HEVC 4K 60 FPS 10-bit. Yes, let's select 10-bit because that's what we've been editing. This is 10-bit footage, HDR, that comes from iPhone. That is a default camera setting. Let's go. I'm going to time this. Should I do it with the lap? Nah, let's reset it. Yeah, let's reset it and go. Check it out. I found this interesting. The memory usage. Yeah? We're actually using almost 3 gigabytes of swap memory. So, I think that if the Neo had more than 8 gigabytes, we could see a faster export time, because take a look at that. We're only at 2% and it's been almost 3 minutes since we started exporting. Another inconvenience you'll have to endure if you decide to use the MacBook Neo as your video editing machine compared to something with a little bit more power, more memory, is that when you're exporting a project, a video project, you have to just let it do that, because everything else is just super laggy, extremely slow. Look at that, I'm trying to open Safari and it takes ages, and if I start watching any videos on YouTube or doing anything else really, it just takes absolute ages to do that. And it messes with the export as well, so your export will be slower because the laptop just doesn't have enough resources to handle all of this. So it's just best to close everything and let it finish the export before doing anything else on the laptop. We're almost done, 95%. That's 20.5 minutes already. Is it done? Yes, it's done. 20.5 minutes to export a 15-minute video. Honestly, for a budget-friendly MacBook, it is not too bad. Because if you pay less, then you have to be patient with your video editing and with video exports. But to be honest, we didn't have to be patient with our video editing, because the timeline was working smoothly throughout the entire video editing process. And yeah, just be patient when exporting videos. I'm still impressed with what this machine can accomplish. If you are doing simple cuts, simple videos, then, you know, Neo can do it. Let's see what the battery is like. 71%. By the way, all this time the screen was maxed out in terms of brightness because I find this most comfortable to work on. This screen doesn't get as bright as the one on the Pros. If you are in a well-lit room, like I am right now, or outside, then you will have to max out the brightness to comfortably work on this laptop. Let me know what else you would like to see me test on the MacBook Neo in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. It helps out tremendously and I appreciate it. Furthermore, subscribe for more videos like this if you haven't already. It is I, Vadim. Until next time.